everybody knows like the biggest headache of them all when you're an adult is moving. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time coming, if not, thank you for returning. Right now I'm just gonna give you a life update. It's just been a lot going on, you know, it's post-COVID, so like these past couple of months have been beyond crazy for me. Like just having to do stuff, travel places. I've been to Miami like twice this year. I've been to Atlanta like 3 times. Like it's just been insane. And I've also been doing a lot of reflecting, just trying to figure out what I want to do, because luckily earlier this year I received an offer for a remote position. So since I was able to land that role, I was just like, you know what, I think it's time for me to kind of do what I want to do as far as moving. And me being able to have the opportunity to work anywhere remotely, I decided that I wanted to move to somewhere that I've been wanting to move to for a long time now. So I decided that I am going to move to Charlotte. Yeah, whenever I received my degree from A&T, it was something that I wanted to do, but opportunity did not permit itself, so I just ended up staying in Raleigh, ended up working a couple jobs, going back to school and getting my master's and all of that. Thank God, you know, just being patient with God and his divine timing was able to grant me this opportunity. So with that being said, these past couple of months or so, I've been traveling back and forth to Charlotte, just trying to figure out where I want to live, where I want to move to, you know, something that is similar to what I have now, just as far as the space, just so I can be comfortable working from home. And luckily I was able to find something about 3 weeks ago. So I got everything rolling because I am moving out in 2 weeks. So I am in the process of starting to pack up all of my stuff and move to Charlotte. Of course, moving is just a headache. Like, oh my gosh, it's a big headache, but you know, it's okay because I'm gonna get it done. I have wonderful support system to help me with that. I'm also getting a moving company to move all of my stuff, so I just really have to put like my little things, give away a lot of my clothes and stuff like that, but put a lot of my little things in boxes. So luckily I do not have to worry about too much, which is just a great thing. But everybody knows like the biggest headache of them all when you're an adult is moving. Like having to go through your stuff, and especially me, I'm gonna give away a lot of my clothes just because I don't really need them. I'm getting older. It's just a lot of stuff that I still have from whenever I first graduated, and I just don't wear that stuff anymore. Well, just go ahead and re-up on a new wardrobe and all of that. So that's gonna be exciting for me. So I'll probably be bringing a little bit more of fashion hauls to you guys. I am going to do better with vlogging for sure, just because now since I'll be moving, I'll have more opportunities for content. I'll also have more time to edit material. So I'm very excited about that. And then also everything's kind of dying down a little bit. I had a couple of weddings to go to. My best friend's wedding I was a part of, so I had to help with the bachelorette party, and it was just a lot of things that I had to plan earlier this year. So that's why I kind of put off editing content and just getting videos out and all of that. But you know, I promise y'all, like year 28, because my birthday is in September, so year 28 I'm going to do better with my content and make this really my baby. I will be uploading a couple of videos just showing the moving process, you know, just giving away stuff. And you guys, please tune in. Also, any suggestions if you have for somebody that's moving, I would love to hear them. Anything to make this journey more easier for me. But I do look forward to moving to Charlotte. This is kind of a big step for me, even though I know some people are just like, well, it's only 2 hours away from Raleigh, it's not a big deal. But for me it is, just because it's further away. Like my family, most of my family lives about an hour and 15 minutes north, northeast. So I will be further away from them, and I'll just have to make a better initiative of seeing my family, of course, just because that is where like my grandparents, aunts, and all of them stay. But it's something new for me. It's always loved traveling to Charlotte, just always saw myself living there. So I'm very excited and nervous at the same time about this journey that I'm going on. But you know, I just say all of this to say, if you know you want to move somewhere or do something, I mean, it doesn't have to be in your state that you're currently in, but if you know that you want to do it and you've made it a mission before, but you know, it might have not been God's timing, just stick to it. Like, because I wanted to move to Charlotte back in 2016, and you know, it's just now working out for me. Here it is, 2021. So with all of that being said, you know, just don't give up just because it's not the timing that you want it to be. You need to wait for it to be God's timing, and do what makes you happy. Don't do it for anybody else. Do it for yourself. With this move, it was something that I wanted to put all of my effort in. So I didn't really tell too many of my friends or ask too many of my friends for their opinions as far as just where should I stay, or where should do you think I should move. It was more so of a me thing, and I really take pride in that because it's something that I feel like I'm going out on a limb to do. And I mean, always, you know, if it's something that I don't like, I can move somewhere else. I can move back home. So it's not the end of the world. It's not like it's a crazy decision. If you want to just get out, just start making those goals to do that. If you know you need to save a certain amount, if you know you need to make a couple of different priority adjusting, like as far as with your job or anything like that of that nature, you know, do what you need to do. But like I said, I will be providing more content to you guys for sure. Very excited about that. I've been getting a lot of good feedback just from my previous videos, so I can't wait to see whenever I'm more consistent with content how that will go. I'm not gonna talk your head off all day about my move to Charlotte. I'm just gonna let you guys see in these upcoming vlogs. I am actually going to start cleaning out a lot of my clothes and stuff today, so I'll bring you guys along while I do that. And I'm gonna have a couple tunes on. I'll probably do another moving video as well, just packing up stuff. I am excited for you guys to see this journey. I hope you guys stay along with me while I'm on this journey of just growing for myself and giving myself all the happiness that I deserve. So yeah. Situations will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guys I sacrificed, cause I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I loved you, you were my girl. You see, I thought the world of you, but you're so steady, baby. It's okay, girl, cause I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to call. It's okay, girl. Oh, girl, your face is saying why. Tears and eyes. Should've been more smart about it. Should've cherished me. Listening to friends. Now it's the ending. Then again, no story can end without it.